Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be showing you how you can install VS Code on Ubuntu. There are two methods I know how to do this, okay? So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and feel free to comment what I should do next. Okay, so the first method is using the Ubuntu software. So you just open it up, okay? Then you need to type code. I type cod because something's wrong with code itself. Okay, then you go here, then you can just click install, then you'll ask for password and then it will install it. The second way is this. You go to the terminal and just type snap install code. This line used to work, but then you get this error. So what you have to do is hyphen classic. And then you start to install. Okay, now that it's installed, you should be able to find it in here, VS Code. And once you boot it on, you will be able to use it. Okay, now it's on and ready to use. In the next video, I'll show you a tutorial how you can use it properly, okay? See you in the next video.